If you want to get the blue tick on X, formerly Twitter, the most important thing to know is that verification now works very differently than it used to. It is no longer about being famous or publicly notable. Today, the blue tick is tied to an active X Premium or Premium Plus subscription, along with a few basic eligibility requirements. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you know exactly what to check before you subscribe and what to do to improve your chances of getting verified smoothly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides just like this one. Let's start with the first thing you need to understand: eligibility. Before the blue tick can appear on your account, X wants your profile to look complete and active. That means your account should have a display name and a profile photo. It also needs to have been active within the last 30 days. So if you haven't posted, replied, liked, or interacted recently, take a moment to get active on the platform first. Another important requirement is account security and age. Your account needs to be older than 30 days and you must have a verified phone number linked to it. X also expects your account to be stable and trustworthy, which means you should not have recently changed your profile photo, display name, or username. Those kinds of changes can delay or interfere with verification, so it's best to keep your profile consistent before applying. Once you've checked those basics, the next step is to subscribe to X Premium. This is the part that actually unlocks the blue tick option on eligible accounts. You can do this through the X app or directly on the website. If you're using the web version, log into your X account and look for the Premium option in the sidebar menu. In some regions, it may appear as verified instead. Click that option and review the available plans carefully. X Premium and Premium Plus may offer different features, so choose the one that fits your needs and budget. After that, enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Once your subscription is active, X will begin processing the verification status for your account, assuming your profile meets the requirements we just covered. If you don't see the blue tick immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a little time for the badge to appear after subscribing. The best thing you can do is double check your account details, make sure your phone number is verified, and confirm that your profile still looks complete and consistent. Avoid making unnecessary changes right after subscribing because that can slow things down. Keep your account active, post normally, and give the platform time to recognize your subscription and eligibility. It's also worth remembering that the blue tick on X is part of a paid system now, so you won't get it just by requesting it the old-fashioned way. The key is to meet the account standards, maintain a clean profile, and subscribe to the right plan. If you're a creator, business owner, or personal brand, this can also help make your account look more credible and professional to new visitors. So, to quickly recap, here's the process. Make sure your account is complete, active, older than 30 days, and linked to a verified phone number. Avoid recent profile changes. Then, subscribe to X Premium or Premium Plus through the app or website. After that, wait for the verification status to apply to your account. That's the full method for getting the blue tick on X. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.